In this video, I'll show you how to use Bluesky social new app. So open up Bluesky. So this is Bluesky. So from here, this option is a profile option. You can be able to edit profile, add your display name, add your description, add cover, add profile picture. You can be able to come on, you can view your posts, your replies, your media, your videos, your likes, like all of it from this option. So also you can be able to come on, you can be able to view different post options. From pin to profile, translate, copy post, all of this, delete post as well. You can be able to bookmark or save post. You can be able to retweet as well, repost or quote. So this is it. You can be able to like and comment as well. So this option is where you get notifications, right? You can be able to adjust the notifications from this option. So this option is the chat option. So if you want to chat someone, you can be able to use this option to chat to the person. So yeah, this is it. So you can be able to search, you can be able to view the discover page, the following, the video, the thread, or the hashtags. Then you can be able to see different options here. So just tap on profile. Sorry, tap on settings, I think. You can be able to view different settings. You can be able to come on, you can switch accounts. If you have like multiple accounts, so privacy, you can be able to do this as well. So just check through all of it. You can be able to sign out, you can be able to delete your account. So if you found this very helpful, please make sure you like and subscribe.